If you're looking for the simplest way to create videos on YouTube and earn anywhere between $2,000 to $10,000 every single month, this video is for you. I know that might sound unbelievable if you're new to YouTube, but give me a minute to prove it. There is one niche on YouTube that guarantees evergreen views that keep coming in daily. And the best part, you can start making money from it even before your channel is monetized. How? Through referrals and affiliate products from platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24. That niche is the health and fitness niche. Let me show you an example. Here's a channel with over 500,000 subscribers and only 64 videos. It has already gotten 53 million views and makes over $2,000 every month. Here's another one. This channel has just 569 subscribers, but has managed to rack up 137 million views, earning more than $16,000 monthly. I have checked out their popular videos. Guess what? They only use stock footage and do simple cut and trim editing. Here is the exciting part. In the next few minutes, we are going to create a video that's even better than theirs using just Canva. After that, you can create more videos like it, upload them to your channel, and watch the money start rolling in. Step 1, we need video ideas, and we are going to use AI to handle this. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are we using ChatGPT? Nope, I have got a different option in mind. The AI tool we will be exploring today is DubDub, an all-in-one content creation platform designed to simplify your workflow and elevate your content creation game. With DubDub, you can incorporate stunning talking AI avatars, effortlessly generate video, scripts, and AI voiceovers, clone avatar and your voice, add auto-generated subtitles, and take advantage of the video translation tool. We're going to use two tools here, the AI writing and the AI voiceover. Let's start by generating the video ideas. I will submit this prompt. As a health professional, could you provide me with 10 video ideas on health topics that are relatable to a wider audience? Submit the prompt and watch DubDub do its magic. Great, it's done. Copy it and save it in your text editor. Next, click on Ask AI to Write. Choose YouTube and select Script. Here, you don't need any prompt. All you need is to copy a topic from the ones you generated earlier and paste here and then submit. Just like that, your script is ready in 2 seconds. Another mind-blowing feature of this tool is, with just a click, you can ask the AI to rewrite the script, make it longer or shorter. You may decide to work on a paragraph by just selecting it and then submit what you want it to do for you. It's so easy to navigate. You can simply click on the play button at the top to generate a voiceover from your script. Oh wait, did you know that DubDub is in Canva? Yeah, it's there. That means we can create this video from start to finish without leaving Canva. Open Canva, change the white canvas to black. Head over to the App tab by the left side. Type in DubDub in the search bar, and there you have it. Choose the AI voice by DubDub. Here's an example of what these AI voices sound like.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life.
The voices sound incredibly realistic. If you find what suits your style, select it and paste your text here. Make sure to log in or sign up if you don't have an account, and then generate your voiceover. A quick heads up, while DubDub offers a brief free trial, it's not completely free. To continue enjoying its amazing features, you will need to select one of their paid plans. Here is the good news. Use the link in the description of this video to get 10% off on your subscription. Alright, that being said, let's get back to work. Drag your voiceover to the timeline. Add blank pages to the timeline to match the length of your voiceover. After that, copy the keyword from each line of your script and paste in the Canva search bar to gather relevant clips for your video. I always recommend you do this before you start editing your video. It saves time. Gather everything on the last page. Okay, now where do we start from? Of course, first thing first, we need a good intro that further strengthens what the video title and thumbnails say. But before that, here is what you want to keep in mind. Since we are creating health-related videos, the editing style should be simple. Focus more on the information you want to share with your audience and help them to follow up easily by using simple terms and slow pace. For the intro, we are going to use a combination of visuals and words. First, go to the Element tab and search for Grid. I'm good with this. Stretch it to fill the entire canvas. Go to transparent at the top and reduce it a bit. Let's start adding catchy visuals to the intro. Under the Element tab, search for frame. Pick the letter frames according to the correct spelling of health. Adjust and position it at the center. Let's get some clips. Drag the clips into the frames. Select everything by holding the Shift key and using your mouse to select. Click here at the top to group everything together. Here, I will split the clip into two because I want it to perform two animations. Drag the playhead to where you want to split, go to the top, and click the split icon. For the first clip, let's add this stomp animation and set it to on enter. Next, let's add text to the second clip. Click on text and choose the heading style. Here, I'm going to paste the title of the video. Adjust the size and position. For the visual, let's give it a custom animation. Click on Animate and choose Custom. Make it smooth, adjust the speed level, and click Done. Let's also split the voiceover to two to create a break. I will drag the rest of the voiceover backward to have a good break in between. Great! Let's start adding clips. Make it look better by using image frames. Just search for frames and choose what you like. Drag the clip on it. Give it fade-in animation. Let's duplicate it and add another clip. Reduce the duration of the clip to 0.3 seconds. Do the same for the next 4 clips. Also, while adding each clip, increase the size of the next clip more than the previous clip. Increase the duration of the 5th clip and add flow transition to the next clip. You should have something like this. Great! Next, search for script. You will find something like this. Increase the size and position it to the bottom. Add text. Duplicate and add another text. To see element timing on the timeline and control their appearance, right-click on the element. Choose Show Element Timing. You can then control when an element should show up on the screen. I'm applying that to the text. Each line of the text will follow after the first one. Give all of them a nice animation. Let's add a white background to the text. Search for shape and choose a square. Change the color to white and stretch it to cover the text background. Give it a wipe animation. Duplicate the shape and use it for other texts. To place it behind the text, simply click on Position at the top to display the layers. Drag the shapes to the bottom. Add more clips according to the voiceover. Make use of transition between clips for smoothness. Okay, let's perform a little magic here. Duplicate this clip by pressing Ctrl D. Let's change the second clip. After that, give it a custom animation. Go to Animate, choose Custom, and drag it to the left. Make it smoother and adjust the speed. Repeat the process with the second clip, but drag it to the center. When you're done, you should have something like this. Excellent. Now let's add the last animation before we move to the next step. First, search for back pane under Graphics. Find something like these. Let's flip the first one to the left. Look for a flip at the top and choose Horizontal. Let's connect the two elements with a drawn line. Look for the Draw tab at the left side. Pick any color of your choice. Draw a straight line and move it to connect the two elements. Let's add an indicator. Pick a circle and change the color to red. Reduce the transparency and place it on this guy's waist. Add animation to all the elements. Next, let's search for lungs. Pick one and place it by the right side. Give it a stomp animation and add a few indicators. I don't even know what to call it, but hope you get what I mean. Okay, we're done with that. Next is to add sound effects. Browse through the Canva audio library and search for whooshes, swooshes, camera shutter, and notification. Drag them and drop at the right transitions. Add music, but before you add any music, check out if it's free for commercial use. For captions, you need to export and re-import the video to add captions. Edit your caption and download your video. Well done for staying glued to this point of this tutorial. Now I know that you're serious with making money on YouTube. I will keep bringing high-value video ideas to help you stay ahead. I will also suggest you check out my free YouTube Prelaunch checklist to help you gain clarity on how to grow a successful business-focused YouTube channel in 2025. Share your thoughts in the comment, like, subscribe, and share to reach more people. Now the result.
5 everyday habits that are secretly harming your health. Do you ever feel tired, stressed, or unproductive even when you think you're living a healthy life? Some daily habits might be secretly affecting your health. In this video, we are going to uncover 5 of daily habits that are secretly harming your life. Let's start with something many of us don't think twice about: poor posture. Whether you're hunched over your desk or glued to your phone, the way you sit can cause more harm than you might realize. It not only leads to back and neck pain, but poor posture also reduces your lung capacity, making it harder to breathe deeply. Over time, it can even contribute to feelings of stress and fatigue. Which brings us to the second habit: spending too much time staring at screens. This can take a toll. Too much screen time strains your eyes, messes with your sleep, and leaves you feeling more fatigued. Combat this by wearing blue light blocking glasses and setting some screen-free time, especially before bed, to help your body unwind. Speaking of rest, another major health disruptor is irregular sleep patterns. If you're constantly shifting your sleep schedule by staying up late one night and waking up early the next, your body gets confused. To reset, aim for consistency by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. A calming pre-bed routine, like reading or meditation, can also help you drift off easier. Finally, one habit many of us fall into is sitting too much. Long hours spent sitting, whether at work or at home, can increase your risk of heart problems and weight gain. Make it a point to get up and move every hour, even if it's just a quick stretch or a short walk around the room. By tweaking these everyday habits, you'll feel more energized, focused, and overall healthier.